at Dustram. We develop dust-free tile removal equipment for the flooring professional industry. I originally started off as an installer, and I grew tired of all the dust that was being created in the homes. And so I set about to develop the process to do this dust-free without plastic. The equipment that's been developed, most of it is really only possible through 3D printing. The multi-jet fusion process is perfect at producing high-quality parts that are really on the level of molds. Previously, I had been using a different type of 3D printing technology that wasn't overly strong. Aesthetically, it wasn't as nice to look at. When I switched over to the HP 4200, I realized that my material was about 10 times cheaper and I could print about 10 times faster. Parts last longer. Remember, this is for tile removal, so there's sand, there's sharp pieces of tile. Most people wouldn't believe this nylon can withstand that kind of heavy-duty work, but we actually have replaceable noses that are still in use 1 year later. When I build things now and I know that I can have something produced and printed within a matter of days, so I can hold it in my hands, take it out to a job and try it out, I get so excited. It makes me want to think and dream up more things that I can invent, because that's the joy in invention right there.